Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover accidentally deleted YouTube videos. So let's get started. First open YouTube on your mobile device. After you open your application, simply tap on your profile section, then tap on the setting gear at the top right corner right over here, and then simply scroll down to the help section. You'll find this under help and policy. Simply tap on the question mark icon and where it is written help. Next, click on send feedback. Then tap on get started. Tap on allow one-time access. Now simply type in your issue explaining that your video was accidentally deleted and submit your request. YouTube support may review your request and help you recover your video. And that's it guys. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.